Hello everyone, my name is Harish Nair. Welcome to my fourth part of project management. Today I'm going to talk about project management methodology. According to PMI, Project Management Institute, a methodology is defined as a system of practice, technique, procedure, and rules used by those who work in a discipline. Lean practice, Kanban, and Six Sigma are also project management methodologies. They essentially process processes they are essentially processes that aim to assist project managers with guidance throughout the project. During methodologies, having different strategies that aid in managing issues should they arise during the project's delivery. There are many methodologies in which a project can be executed, but today I'm going to talk only about 5 methodologies which are important in today's world. Agile project management methodology. Number one, Agile is polar opposite to traditional waterfall management methodology, which I will be talking later today. That focus on delivering complete work and typically shine away from making changes. In this particular project management methodology, the focus is placed on flexibility and feedback. Clients and teams stay in constant touch and projects are delivered in milestones, and changing any aspect of the software is easier. So is the subsequent integration. The agile methodology is suitable for unprecedented projects that come with significant change of scope creep. By keeping everything flexible and delivering work in iterations, team can make sure that they don't lose time or go over budget. Number two, Scrum methodology for project management. The Scrum methodology is part of Agile methodology as well. They share the same principles. Team work in multiple sprints that typically last from 1 to 4 weeks. Before the sprint, the team meets with stakeholders to create backlog of items that needs to be completed. Then the team prioritize tasks that will be completed in each sprint. During the sprint, teams work on high priority tasks. They check in through the so-called daily stand-up meeting where everybody speaks about what did they do yesterday, what are they going to do today, and any kind of impediments. Problems are resolved quickly after the meeting. When the sprint is finished, stakeholders are invited to review the progress. It's quite fast-paced project management methodology. Number three, Kanban project management methodology. Kanban is another methodology that focuses on agility. However, it's not as rigid as Scrum and pure Agile. Instead, it focuses on clearly on visualized task management. Typically, tasks are characterized in following groups: to do, doing, and done. According to Kanban, should be working on one task at a time. When they are done, they can pick up next task and keep working. Kanban is doing one task at a time, not multitasking. Or as multitasking is a killer, should have limited work in progress. Kanban focuses on lead time. How long does it take to produce a result? As such, the Kanban project management methodology is one of the most flexible one, especially for those projects where priorities change quickly. Number four, lean project management. There is a saying that lean makes everything well. Lean. According to its definition, it focuses on delivering more value with less waste. It does this by observing the following 3 principles. MUDA. Remove everything that doesn't add value to the customer. MURA. Standardize for clarity. MURI. Remove distractions and work at the optimal pace. For example, if you follow the lean project management methodology, you would remove any unnecessary processes like revisions by focusing on the task at hand. When the project has been planned out, you and your team should create the easiest way to complete it. Remove any unnecessary activities and automate to streamline. However, lean can be extremely beneficial for industries struggling with lot of unnecessary processes. For example, financial sector, administration, and team handling internal projects. Number 5, waterfall approach of project management. Finally, there is nothing wrong with little tradition that requires you to not to deviate from original plan. The waterfall project management methodology is a linear one. You and your team meet up with stakeholder at the beginning, define the project scope, agree on term and deliverable, and you get to work. The work is separated into few phases like requirement gathering or initiation, planning, execution of project, testing and quality check, and closing, which is maintenance mode. Next phase starts only after previous phase has been completed and reviewed. That makes it very simple to implement. Since waterfall relies on careful planning and following the plans as you implement, it's also much simpler for the stakeholders who understand exactly what they will be getting. As such, the waterfall model is best suited for small teams and short, precisely outlined projects. If you are dealing with long, unprecedented projects that often change in scope, using the waterfall methodology could mean losing a lot of time. Hope you find it useful. That's all from me today. Thank you.